In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Surveymonkey account. This is useful if you no longer need access to your surveys or if you're switching to another platform. We'll walk through the steps to ensure this process is seamless and clear. First, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you're on a desktop or laptop browser because the mobile app might not have the same functionality. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your username. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu should appear where you'll select My Account. Now that you're on your account page, scroll down until you reach the bottom of that section. You should see an option that says Permanently Delete Account. You'll want to click on that. But before you proceed, a quick reminder. Make sure this is what you want to do, as it's a significant action. After clicking to delete, you'll be presented with some instructions detailing what this process entails. It's crucial to read through these carefully so you understand the implications. Deleting your account means all your data will be permanently removed, and you're acknowledging this by ticking all the acknowledgement boxes. This step ensures that you're fully aware and prepared to let go of your account and its data. Your login method slightly changes the confirmation process. If you've set up your account with a password, simply enter your password when prompted and then click the button that confirms, "Yes, delete this account." However, if you logged in through a social account like Google or Facebook, an additional step is necessary. Surveymonkey will send you an email containing a unique code. You'll need to retrieve that code from your email and enter it on the confirmation page to complete the deletion. Keep in mind that finalizing this process means you can't recover your data, and Surveymonkey will secure this deletion by permanently removing all your data and account information, typically within 90 days. So, before proceeding, it's advisable to export any surveys or data that you might need in the future. Surveymonkey offers easy data export options, which you should consider using to secure the information you may want later on. We hope this walkthrough has made the deletion process straightforward and less daunting. Remember, it's a permanent step, so ensure it aligns with your needs and future plans before finalizing your decision. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any further questions in the comments below.